Hi, I'm Nate from Aquability. Today we'll be going over how to dispense, mix, and package final sterile bulk using WFI. I'm using a 200-liter bag. However, the configuration is the same across our 20-liter, 50-liter, 100-liter, 200-liter, and even our 1,000-liter. The only difference is the tubing length. When you open the lid, you'll see our product sealed in a liner bag. Inside that, the tubing is neatly wound on a tray. The tray protects the tubing and stabilizes the fluid during shipping. Aquability's packaging engineer team designed the bag to fit perfectly in the drum, minimizing folds so you can completely evacuate the bag. We'll be using a peristaltic pump to transfer our WFI into our 200-liter mixing tank using an irradiated single-use liner. This removes the need to clean the tank and ensures it's free of bacteria and endotoxins right out of the package. After placing the liner into the mixer, you pull the tubing through the bottom part and run it into the pump. For this demo, I'm using a Watson-Marlow 620S pump. Our bag uses 3/8" Advanaflex TPE tubing, so you'll need a pump that accommodates this size. With our Watson-Marlow pump, we get about 18 liters per minute of evacuation. Remove the caps from both the WFI bag and the quick connector, then snap them together. While the connection itself is non-sterile, the WFI within the drum remains sterile. I also leave some slack in the tubing between the pump and the bag. This helps during dispensing. At this point, you can add your API, media, buffer, or other ingredients to your liner before mixing. It's important to use a scale, load cells, or a calibrated pump to ensure precise volumes for consistent batches. Then we just turn on the pump. The WFI is sterile and doesn't need a dip tube to dispense. The pump pulls the fluid uphill, and by eliminating air from the bag, we prevent air locking or the need for priming. In our demo, we've added 100 liters of WFI to our mixer. Now with mixing complete, we move on to packaging. I'm holding a sterile 100-liter bag here with a 0.2 micron capsule filter. Both the bag and filter are radiation sterilized. We're using an MDI filter in this case. As the fluid flows in, it's sterilized through the filter. Now we'll connect our 100-liter bulk bag to our pump, reversing the direction, and the same pump pushes the mixed solution through the sterilizing filter into the bag. After the final product is filtered into the bulk bag, a second tube is used for the aseptic connection to your sterile fill process or other processes. That gives you a sterile bag of your product ready to integrate into your process using a closed system or aseptic connection. Contact us today. We'd love to learn about your process, understand your needs, and help you succeed with your application.